Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today we are going to try to fix this broken juicer. For some reason this juicer is dead at the moment. When we put the plug in and when we turn this power button on, it just doesn't work. I have found what is the problem and today we are going to fix it. Okay, just to demonstrate you, I have everything mounted right here, and if you turn this power button on, it is not working. But if you take this little nipple and put it in here and just press it, see, it's working now. So basically this safety switch right here, we need to fix that. At the very end of the vase container right here, there's a little nipple which is usually located here, but these little things break all the time. So basically we have two solutions for this problem. We can try to mount this little nipple right there where it was before. The second solution is to open up this housing of this juicer. If you look from the bottom, there are, I think, 6 screws right here. We can open this everything and then we can access the wires that are for this safety switch right there. And if we just cut these wires, the juicer will work perfectly fine. Let's warm up this plastic part right there. So basically I will use this plastic string just to get a little bit more of plastic right on there to have some material to work with. Just a little bit, nothing too much. That will serve as a glue. Now just go with your soldering iron around this nipple to make sure the nipple has a good connection with this container base. And of course you can use this additional plastic to have that connection a little bit stronger. Okay, so this is definitely not the perfect job that I have done for this soldering, but as you can see, basically it's on the bottom of this container. It will never be visible, so if this holds up, it will do the job. Nipple is right there in the hole and you hear it? It's turning the switch on. So basically this solution with the soldering can work. Moment of truth. Working. As you can see, this solution with the plastic welding works. The juicer is working just fine, but this little nipple that is right here in this container box, I think it is designed to fall off all the time, so you can go to the spare store and buy a new part, of course. I think this can hold some period of time, but eventually it will break off again. So we need a permanent solution. The permanent solution would be to open up this juicer, and I will show you how to disconnect this switch right here. Okay, we have removed the bottom cover from the juicer and this is what you have inside. So basically you have right here, you have a power input, and this power input goes on one side, it goes to this power switch on and off. And basically it goes right into this motor right here in the center. That is a motor, but the second wire from the power input, it goes to this little black box right here, and this is a capacitor. And basically they can also be broken, but in our case they are working just fine because the motor is running, everything is running. So we have a problem with this part right here. I will show you how this operates. So basically when you push this little lever right here, there is a button right there which gets pushed. So basically this button gives a signal to the motor that it can work. We need to connect these two lines one to another, and that way it will be just like this button is already pushed. So basically the signal will always be on, and when the motor gets a power from this power switch, it will be running because these two wires are connected. Peel off the wire protection so we can connect them easily. Alright, now just connect these two wires and we will put some protection tape on it. Alright, this should do the trick. Let's assemble everything back on and let's try it. Let's get the power. There is no nipple in there at the moment.
Nice.
As you could see, I have shown you two solutions how to fix a not working juicer. Solution number one was to weld this little nipple plastic part, but as you can see, I welded it, but during this process it got broken again. So basically that solution is maybe not the best one. You can always buy a new container, but that is a waste of money. So the best solution is to reconnect the two wires that are giving the input to the motor to work. So basically just put your juicer into the power and turn it on. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys for that, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.